you know, the static pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Jean.
Good morning. How are you?
Hi.
How you feeling, Barb? You look better today.
Good. I don't have the vid.
The vid? Okay, good. I'm glad you don't have the vid.
No. No, I think I look different because I finally colored the gray. This was totally gray. I finally covered the gray.
You know, yesterday your face looked puffy.
Yeah.
Like
Well, I don't know.
that's from the gray. Well, maybe it is. My face looks puffy.
That's
Yeah.
from the carbs.
Maybe it is. Maybe you're right.
I don't know.
Look at
I
my-
was really
Colored
not
my
feeling
hair
well
and my
Monday.
face will be thin, like and beautiful.
Yeah, Monday
face
you
be
didn't
like
look
the
well. You
coals.
look good.
I quit work at noon and I can't remember the last time I took a day off. It's been maybe 4 or 5 months, but I didn't work the rest of the day.
Oh, yesterday?
No, Monday.
Oh.
No, when you said I look puffy.
Was that the last time I saw you? Was Monday? What is today? I don't
No,
even-
I've been on
that-
every day.
That's what I
Yeah,
thought.
but that was Monday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that was Monday. I told her she looked puffy.
Yeah.
Oh.
So basically, the bottom line is you're looking good.
You're
Oh,
looking
thank
good,
you.
Barb. Yeah, so putting my war paint on, right, for a warrior. I'm a warrior. Getting my war paint on. I have no other makeup. I'm just throwing some lipstick on here. All right, guys, let's get started. It is 10:01. So first of all, great that you jumped on today, right? So what we're going to do is a power hour. So if you don't have time to do the power hour right now, you'll do it later today. Find an hour in your day that you can do it. What are you going to do during your power hour? You're going to actually create the content, the outline that I talked about for your one-day event. And then what are you going to do with it? You're going to post it in the Facebook group. Any questions? This is a really fast, easy training today. Oh God, there's a question. Okay, Deb, what is it?
I missed yesterday, so I still have to watch it. But
Me too.
Well, then you're going to spend an
do you
hour
have
watching it and then go do the power hour.
exactly? But is there a creating content document I should find on the, or is it just what's the content in the Zoom?
That would be awesome if there was, right? But there's not.
I was going to
Okay.
say, she's not Daryl. Or
I'm not
Darren.
Daryl, right? No. I was thinking of Darren. Oh, not Daryl, Darren. I was thinking
Darren,
of
right?
Darren.
Yeah, that would be awesome if there was that content. Yeah, but there's not. No, you have to listen to the
No worries.
Yeah.
No worries.
So,
Not a problem.
Today it's really about now creating what we've been working toward. Those of you who are taking action every day, this is going to be easy for you. If you're not taking action every day, it's going to be a little bit more difficult for you. You may not actually get your power hour until tomorrow. Tomorrow I will have different training, right? So that's our homework, guys. So are there any questions? Because people are not going to believe that our training today took 3 minutes. Right? 3 minutes. It's like take yesterday what we talked about there, create that content, and then post it in the Facebook group. Got it?
We should give feedback on one another's
Sure,
posts.
if you want to, not necessary. But
Oh,
if you
okay. I was gonna say, would that be helpful? You know.
No, this is not going to be helpful. This is what you're going to teach in that one day.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, Beth, go ahead.
Is it so clarity? Is it just an outline of it, or do you want you're not the whole script?
Well, no, no, I don't want you to write your scripts out. That's what I said before. I don't even want you to write a script out to train from. I just want to know your opening, about your story, right? You can give a couple, you can talk about, these are the points I want to talk about in there.
Okay.
Right? But make it a little bit more than just write my story, right? Make it a little bit more but what are the points you're going to cover within that? And then it's just the outline. Because when you finish the outline, you have finished your content for the piece, because you're not going to be talking about anything you don't know. So it's all going to be there. You guys, those of you who just jumped on, you have literally missed the entire training today. So I just gave them their assignment. We're 4 minutes in. I was done in 3 minutes. You're going to have to go back and listen to it, right? But today is a power hour. So go back and listen to the training. Just FYI, we're always going to start right at 10 o'clock. 5 a.m. club. We're starting right at 5 a.m. anymore. I'm not going to wait for people. So I'll just ask one more time if any questions before we get going there. Otherwise, we're done, and then we were done out of here in 5 minutes. Awesome. Helpline at 4 o'clock. Deb, did you have another question? You're just like, okay.
Just thumbs up.
Sherilyn, are you questioning or it's waving goodbye? I'm like, bye. Well, let's make, like, if you're waving goodbye, it's like, goodbye, goodbye. See you later. All right, good. All right, then I'll be back at 4 p.m. for the helpline. And I'm not talking about what we're eating today. So if you don't have questions, don't come, because I want this to be all about the help. And then I'm going to get off as soon as we're done with that. Okay. All right. Oh man, that was my alarm to tell me that I had 10 o'clock coming up. So, all right, I'll see you guys at 4.
Bye.
Bye.